Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you are new here, I am Tonian and I am a travel content creator bringing you the best of Jamaica in one location at a time. Today we are taking a little foodie trip to the south coast to a place called Alligator Pond, and trust me, this one is special. We are heading to Oswald Seafood Restaurant, a spot I've been hearing about for months now, and I finally decided to make the trip. Now, a little bit about Alligator Pond. It is a fishing village located in Manchester. It's one of those quiet, peaceful places that hasn't been overrun by tourists, which I love. Here, you will find a lot of seafood spots like Little Ochi and Bunch of Grapes. Now, the drive down is beautiful. You pass through farmland, fishing communities, and a little roadside stalls. It's like watching Jamaica in her natural state. Oh, by the way, you can locate this via Google Maps, and it's easy to locate. So like I said before, Alligator Pond is a fishing village, and as soon as you park your car, you'll see fishermen coming out from the sea. You'll see people selling fish. People from all around this area come here to get fresh fish. So the setup is simple. Just walk in, pick your seafood. There is a chart that tells you how much everything will cost. They wait and they ask you how you want your fish to be prepared. You can have fish, lobster, shrimp, you name it. It's all caught freshly. Hello. That's all. You got one or two? You want a big one? Right. I decided to go with fish and bami, a classic combo, and you can choose how you want it prepared, whether it's fried, steamed, brown stew. So once you weigh your fish, you tell them what you want, what kind of drinks, everything, you just cash and you're good to go. So they do have a seated area around the back, and what I love is that the space is very, very good, and also the views, they're amazing, especially if you come here when the sun is setting. It's gorgeous. You can hear the sounds of the waves, the breeze, the view of the boats pulling in. It's just peaceful and grounded. You know, this is the part of Jamaica that tourists don't always see. It's not curated, it's not polished, just real, raw and beautiful. And I just love this. So guys, I'm at Oswald in Alligator Pond, and look at the views here. Isn't this amazing? So we're gonna try the fish and see if the fish really tastes as good as people say it is. So I got the fried snapper with bami, and yeah, this is it. And I basically have heard good things about Oswald food, that the food is very nice and tastes good, so we're gonna try it out. Then here is the food. Let's get into it. All right guys, so the fish is here. We got two fish. This is one, and some bami. That's just it. Everything with a beer and a Pepsi came up to about 7,000 Jamaican dollars. So we're gonna try it out and see what it's like. So yeah. But the views here are amazing. You have a view here. It's just nice. So let's check it out. See if it's past the stage of being good, tasting good. Not bad. The wait time wasn't as bad as we never have to wait that long. Yeah, we're here on a Monday. This is the mami, nice and flat. Mami tastes different. Not bad, but not bad at all. And for the fish, I have enough escabeche sauce. Peppery and nice. Well, guys, that was the end of my meal. Look at my food now. It was really, really good. Really, really good. And worth it. I'm sorry I never had another fish, but hey.
Now overall the fish was perfectly fried. It's crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, and the bami soaked in just enough sauce to carry the flavor. I do love this particular type of bami. What I love is that this wasn't over seasoned, just enough spices, herbs, and that signature South Coast flavor, clean and satisfying. I just had to pause and just enjoy this moment, the food, the breeze, the vibes. Now, did Oswald live up to the hype? It certainly did. It's more than just a place to eat, it's an experience. And what I love is that it was not too crowded, there's lots of space to lounge, and the views here are so nice. Now, this is the side of Jamaica I love to see. If you're exploring Jamaica South Coast, make the stop in Alligator Pond. You won't regret it. Come for the food, stay for the vibe, and support locals. Thanks for coming along with me on this foodie adventure, a quick short video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what South Coast spot I should visit next, or better yet, drop your favorite hidden gem in Jamaica. Until next time, travel safe, eat good and hold a vibe. Peace.